In this problem, a plane is flying eastward while the wind is blowing southward. We want to find what is the plane's relative velocity. So the nose of this plane is pointed toward the east. So the velocity of the plane is 148 meters per second, while the wind is blowing southward. So southward right here at 40 meters per second. Okay, the result is the velocity of the plane plus the velocity of the wind. If the pilot doesn't make a correction, this plane gets blown off course. But key here is we added these two vectors together, tail to tip. We draw a resultant from beginning to end. Okay, what is the speed of this plane? So what is the value of this hypotenuse or the resultant? We have a nice right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem that R is going to equal the velocity of the plane squared plus the velocity of the wind squared, and we're taking the square root. Okay, again, this is the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. You can use that when you have a right triangle. Okay, R is in place of c. C is the hypotenuse. So if we take the speed of this plane, 148 squared, plus the speed of the wind's 40 squared, and then the square root of that. So 148 squared plus 40 squared, the square root of that answer is 153.3 meters per second. We never did any changes to the units. These are still going to be in meters per second.